evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the moment we have all been waiting for more than 2 decades. Tonight, you will be part of history, the North American reveal of the all-new Land Rover Defender.
Since its launch in 1948, the series Land Rover and Defender models have built an undisputed reputation for their ability to conquer the most arduous terrains. So the new Defender is respectful of its past, but it isn't harnessed by it. It's a compelling vehicle that has design and engineering at its very core. So this is the new Defender 90 3-door. Its distinctive silhouette is a modern interpretation of the originals. Its proportion has been optimized to deliver a well-balanced design and supreme capability. This is the toughest, most capable Defender ever created. So this is the 110 version. It's a 5-door version. It measures just under 15.5 feet. That increase in length has been added between the wheels to accommodate the extra doors and the interior, increase the interior space for the third row seating. Now, with that increase in overall length, it still maintains a very well-balanced design. So, ladies and gentlemen, the new Defender family created for the 21st century with state-of-the-art technologies, hybrid electric powertrains, and over-the-air software updates. These new Defenders are as connected as they are capable and fitting successors to the pioneering originals. The new Defender is going to be a movie star. Yes, Ralph, a movie star. Fitting as we're just down the road from Hollywood. A brilliant way to showcase its capabilities in the latest jaw-dropping James Bond movie.
So after 2 decades, the Defender is back.